Hello, fellow bird enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, The Ultimate Pet Guide, where we explore the wonderful world of pet birds and how to provide them with the best care possible. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our feathered content. Make sure to click on the links in the comment section to check out the best ebook on bird training and caring. Today, we are diving into the world of pet bird care, covering everything from nutrition to enrichment and more. Let's get started. Before we dive into care tips, let's discuss the importance of choosing the right bird for your lifestyle and preferences. Different species have unique needs and personalities, so do your research before bringing a feathered friend into your home. Nutrition is a critical aspect of pet bird care. Here's what you need to know. Specialized diets. Each bird species has specific dietary requirements, so choose the right bird food or consult an avian vet for guidance. Fresh foods. Supplement your bird's diet with fresh fruits, vegetables, and occasionally cooked grains and proteins. Clean water. Ensure your bird has access to clean, fresh water at all times. Creating the right environment for your pet bird is essential. Here are some key points. Cage selection. Choose an appropriate cage size, considering the bird's size and wingspan. Perches and toys. Offer a variety of perches and toys to keep your bird mentally and physically active. Cage cleaning. Regularly clean the cage to maintain a healthy living space. Pet birds are highly intelligent and need mental and physical stimulation to thrive. Here's how. Toys and puzzles. Provide toys, puzzles, and foraging opportunities to keep your bird engaged. Social interaction. Spend quality time with your bird daily. They need companionship and love. Out of cage time. Allow your bird out of the cage for supervised exploration and exercise. Regular vet checkups are crucial. Here's why. Wellness exams. Avian vets can perform wellness exams to catch health issues early. Disease prevention. Discuss disease prevention and vaccination options with your vet. Feather care. Feather health is vital. Your vet can provide guidance on feather maintenance. Pet birds are known for their vocalizations. Here's how to manage and train your feathered friend. Positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement to reward desired behaviors. Managing noise. Teach your bird when it's appropriate to vocalize and when it's time to be quiet. There you have it, our comprehensive guide to pet bird care. Caring for these intelligent and social creatures is a rewarding experience that deepens the bond between you and your feathered companion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow bird lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic content about pet birds. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those wings flapping and the love soaring. Goodbye for now.